How to update Roblox on Windows PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys on updating the Roblox application on your Windows PC. So there are two different main methods depending on how you originally installed Roblox on your computer. So first method is a Roblox website installation. If you've installed Roblox from the Roblox website, you need to open your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your Roblox account first. Then click on any game that you'd like to play. Now Roblox will automatically check for updates during the launch process. If an update is available, it will notify you and begin updating. If no update is available, the game will launch normally. And if you've installed Roblox from the Microsoft Store, you need to go ahead and open Microsoft Store on your device. Once it is opened, simply find and search for Roblox application over here. Once you find it, tap on it, and if an update is available, the button will say update. Click on it to update Roblox, and alternatively look for an update option on the Roblox page as well. So these are two ways to update Roblox on Windows. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.